Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best hot water heater you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best hot water heater on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which hot water heater are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater. The Bosch Tronic 3000T point-of-use electric mini tanks are available in 3 compact sizes, which can be wall-hung bracket included or floor-mounted. They fit easily under a sink, even in a cabinet space, and because they have a sleek and attractive design, they blend in seamlessly with existing decor when installed in a visible location. Simply tap into the cold water line and install the water heater directly at the sink to provide hot water. Great for a wide range of locations. This electric water heater is easy to maintain and has premium glass line material for a long service life. Eliminates long waits for hot water at your sink, get on-demand hot water at your every need. Install a point-of-use water heater to increase your supply of hot water where you need it the most. The Bosch Tronic 3000T is a mini tank water heater designed to fit beneath kitchen or bathroom sinks. This model has a 4-gallon tank and can keep 2 sinks supplied with hot water. The Bosch Tronic 3000T is powered by a standard 120 volts wall outlet. Set the temperature of your water supply to anywhere between 65 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit. While not intended for whole house water heating, installing a mini tank water heater is a simple way to increase hot water supply to a sink located far from your primary water heater. For details, let's watch more. Our second best hot water heater is EcoSmart Eco-Electric Tankless Water Heater. EcoSmart is a well-known brand of tankless electric water heaters, and the Eco27 is well equipped to meet your household's hot water demands. Depending on the incoming water temperature, this larger model has flow rates ranging from 2.7 to 6.5 GPM. To put this into perspective, it is usually sufficient to run a shower and a sink fixture at the same time, but homes in warmer climates can receive flow from multiple showers and sinks at the same time. A digital control panel allows you to adjust the temperature from 80 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree increments. This allows you to tailor the temperature of the water to your specific requirements. This smaller unit, measuring 17 by 17 inches, mounts on the wall in your basement or utility closet, freeing up floor space for cleaning supplies or other storage needs. Two major reasons to choose a tankless water heater are efficiency and space savings. EcoSmart tankless electric water heaters are 99% thermal energy efficient, only heats water when cold, unlike a tank heater that maintains water temperature even when not being used. Save up to 50% in water heating costs according to the Department of Energy. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Camplux Portable Propane Tankless Water Heater. Camplux Outdoor, dedicated to providing you an easy and efficient outdoor lifestyle. Portability, energy saving and innovation are the three key elements of Camplux products. Outdoor life always gives people enthusiasm and happiness, and Camplux Outdoor has that figured out. Camplux range is constantly expanding, so keep an eye out for quality, innovative products. Camplux. Enjoy outdoor life. Camplux AY132 weighs 10 pounds with portable handle, great for camping, to the beach or family vacations, mountain cabins, horse stables, etc. Camplux portable water heater with oxygen depletion sensor protection. It can be also installed indoors where is well ventilated. Camplux propane water heater is powered 2D cell batteries and runs on 20 pounds propane tank. The ideal low water pressure operating range for the Camplux AY132 is 3.0 to 110.0 psi, work easily with great performance. The portable hot water heater also works great on modified water systems with a 12-volt water pump. The operating propane gas pressure is 0.4 psi with maximum power output 28,000 ob2 per hour. The portable gas water heater can't be used for drinking water. Its compact size with portable handle allowing for a convenient setup outdoors. For details, let's watch more. fourth recommendation in our side is SteelLtron Tankless Water Heater. Its small, sleek white design saves space yet still provides endless hot water for your whole house, and no venting is required. Eco-friendly unit saves energy with auto-modulation and the ability to electronically control water flow. Savings monitor even shows how much you save on energy costs. Advanced flow control patented technology invented by SteelLtron automatically maintains water temperature for constant comfort. It'll reduce flow slightly if hot water demand exceeds capacity. Hot showers will never be interrupted again. Electronic switch activates the hot water heater and it's noise-free while in use. Has a digital temperature display and preset temperature and memory buttons. While the interior solid copper heating system does all the power work. This specific model is 24 kilowatts, 240 volts, requires a min recommended electric service of 150 A, and offers an output water temperature of 68 to 140 degree Fahrenheit. Check our guides below to compare features of our various Trend and Plus models, each available in different kW levels. SteelLtron's top-rated electric tankless water heaters perform with the highest standards for comfort and reliability. Last in our top 5 best hot water heater list is Ecotemp L5 Outdoor Tankless Water Heater. The Ecotemp L5 is the lightweight, easy to carry, and compact, makes using it for camping, hunting, in your tiny home, RVs, poolside, washing pets, equestrian, cleaning vehicles, greenhouses or anywhere else that you need instant reliable endless hot water perfect for hot water anywhere you need it. The portable water heater is linked to a 20-pound propane tank as well as 2D batteries that power the electronic ignition. You must provide the hoses or piping to connect the heater to your water supply. Remember that if you're drawing water from a non-pressurized source, such as a rain barrel, lake, or tank, you'll also need to buy a 12 volts pump. Runs on a standard 20 pounds liquid propane tank and is equipped with an electronic ignition. Powered by 2D cell batteries, making it ideal for on the go. Make the L5 even more convenient and pair it with the EcoFlow 12V water pump, allowing you to have hot water in the most remote locations. Rated at 1.5 GPM, the L5 can produce hot water with water pressure as low as 20 psi and achieve temperatures ranging from 50 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply adjust the water and gas flow to achieve your desired temperature.